Yo, what up, y'all? Every penny counts. Back with another video. Inbox dollars. All right. Now this is a site that I told y'all about previously. I want to bring it back to you just because I have payment proof. They actually sent me my money, and I want to show you guys, but I still want to give you kind of a detailed view of the website, all the things you can do. A lot of things, a lot of surveys on this site. I mean, lots of them. You see here, my balance is $6.23. Today I completed 2 offers already, 2 surveys. And you see right here, those are just some surveys that are matched for you. They take about 20 minutes, and you see how they're paying. Like, look, $1.50, $5, $2. I mean, the surveys they have on here are high. Okay, I'm gonna go look at some more surveys to show you. Actually, they have a little profile matcher that you fill out in the beginning when you first sign up for this site, and that's worth 50 cents. So just keep in mind that, you know, they just give you so much money in the beginning. All right, look at here. All these surveys you can do, look, 21 minutes. Again, those are the 3 ones that they showed me. So that's like the best ones for me. But you go on down, look, I got a 5-minute survey, 25 cents, 16 minutes, 50 cents, 10 minutes, $1.25. Look, high paying surveys. And these are things that they add on these like hourly. Like throughout the day, they're continuing to add on them. So it's always going to be there for you. I want to show you something real quick. They got Inbox TV, right? TV. You click on that, you can actually watch videos and see what's going on. Like me personally, I like to kind of run this on my phone, just because it kind of works well with me. You got to get that bar full. You see what I'm saying? Right here, I'm like at the middle. Once you get it full, you're going to get a minimum of 10 cents. You know what I'm saying? And to show you how I have it running, if you look here, I got it over here on my phone. You see how that bar is filling up? The timer goes and it just goes to the next video. You know what I'm saying? So that's the same thing you can do on the website or your phone. Just depends on, what works best for you. They also have a video section where you can watch, even more videos, and get paid for them. I think these videos, it's like you watch 3 of them and you get like a penny or something. That's not bad at all. You know what I'm saying? You see these here, down here? Look, a penny. It's like 3 of them you got to watch though, and you'll get a penny. I mean, that's not bad. And the videos aren't that long, so, have your videos running in the background when you're using this site. Look over here on Easy Cash. These are some like the easy offers that they have. They all free, so you don't have to worry about paying. Just scrolling down here, just showing you some of the things they have. Easy money, y'all. Easy money. Just get a quote from Liberty Mutual, you get $1. You know what I'm saying? That's just easy stuff you can do, and it just continues to go down. You see all those pages they have? They got 36 offers on here right now. And of course, they continue to add on these all the time, so you always have to check back and see what they have new and available for you. Okay. What else I want to show you? Deals. They have deals. You look, Groupon, shopping, things like that you can look at. I'm gonna show you a look at the offers. They have different offers. I'll usually click on 100% free. These are ones you want to pay attention to. You don't have to put any money into them. That's simple. Just bam, just go down here and look at all these offers that they have for you. $3, look, $100 DoorDash. You know what I'm saying? Like if you want to become a driver, you can get $100 in addition to what you make, doing DoorDash. You know what I'm saying? VIP voice, you sign up for that, $1.50. You know what I'm saying? Look at this stuff. This is stuff you basically just signing up for, and it's free. I mean, I showed you 100% free offers, and they're just giving you these dollars in order to sign up for it. I mean, just that easy, that quick. These are another thing, 100% free offers. They add on to these regularly. Okay, regularly. As far as the payment proof, I have, in order to cash out in the site, you have to have $30. All right, $30. I know that's high, but just add it to your routine because you saw the surveys and the offers, they pay high. So usually when sites have a high cash out threshold, they usually have high paying offers and surveys. Some of them don't, but this is the one that does. All right, and my payment proof is actually right here. You see here, that's my name. I got $27.99. Okay, that's a real check. It was sent to me last night. I got it in the mail, and I'm going to take it to the bank. It's not a big, payment proof, but it just shows you that they are paying. You know what I'm saying? You see, this is this year, 2018, and I have more future checks to come. And I got it from this website. You know what I'm saying? You see, I'm back. I got $6.23. So I'm continuing to use this site. I'm not slacking off, and I encourage you to sign up for this site. The link will be in the description. So many different things you can do with this site. You know what I'm saying? They have games. You can get paid to play games. you can actually get paid to search on here. The search bar, the way that works is like every time you search, it's like it'll continue to make this bar go up. You know what I'm saying? So you just, search some keyword for things you want to search. Like instead of using Google, just come here in Inbox Dollars and just look, search the web and earn cash. Every time you search a word, it'll make that bar go up, and that bar just brings in money. And the thing about it is like that first dollar sign, you usually get like 1 or 2 pennies for that. That next dollar sign is usually like 4 or 5. And that last one, you can get anywhere between, I think it's like 9 to 15 cent minimum. You know what I'm saying? They have higher prices that you can win, but more than likely, you're going to win 9 to 15 cent for those. So you just continue to, make that bar go up throughout the day, just doing things like that. And another thing I forgot to mention with the surveys, right? Attempt all these surveys. And I tell you that for every website, just because, you bring in more money like that. But the thing about this, when you're attempting these surveys, even if you don't qualify, it's going to add to your bar up here. You know what I'm saying? So you're going to, like, say you do a survey and you didn't qualify for it, they're going to have you make your bar go up a little bit. So, I mean, everything you do on this site pretty much just kind of helps with this bar. I mean, you're going to make money with surveys, but at the same time, you're like, this is like your little bonus that you're using. You know what I'm saying? You continue to make that go up. So for every survey that you don't qualify for, it'll kick you out or whatever. It adds to your bar, so you're getting something. And I love when sites do that, like give you something for getting disqualified, because there are a lot of survey providers out there that I don't even use just because it's pointless. I mean, I'm taking all these surveys, I'm not qualifying for anything, and I'm not getting any money for it. So, I hate when sites do that, but I love when sites offer offer you something. And those are the ones I try to bring to you, I try to promote to you, because there are a lot of them out there. And those are the ones that we need to use. And Inbox Dollars is definitely one of those. So you have to sign up. Link is in the description. Sign up on them and you get a bonus. And, you know what I'm saying? You see just everything that I'm doing. Look, I got 10. I have 10 surveys. 10 offers complete. I did some before this video. They didn't actually credit. But they can credit it to my checkpoint. But they haven't gotten to my balance yet. Those are offers. Sometimes they take a little while to get to your balance. But they did complete. It was 8 of them. It was just a quick 8, and it kind of lags on that adding to your balance, but don't worry about it. It still comes within a day, so they're just kind of slow on that. But like I said, man, it's so many things you could do with this site. Again, just showing you the surveys, how high they paying. You have to get on this, man. You have to. And look, it says these surveys expire quickly. It may be closed. You got to get on it quick, and they add to them regularly. Just things like that. Let me just show you a quick example of this bar real quick. You see here, this question, if I answer it, it'll add to my bar. Now, I'll show you my bar is right now. It's kind of like in the middle. So let's see where it goes after I answer this question. And you don't have to get it right either. You can just put anything. Who wrote the score for the musical West Side Story? I don't know. I'm just going to put Richard Rodgers and see answer and earn. See what they say. And it was actually Leonard Bernstein. So, man, see how my bar went up a little bit? It's just that easy. You can do that with the search bar, with that little answer and earn question, with the videos, with the surveys. Even if you qualify for them, it's still going to give you your money, and your search bar is going to be, your scratch and win progress is going to be added. So you got to get on this site, y'all. Link is in the description. Inbox Dollars. Sign up under me. Get a bonus. And always remember, y'all, every penny counts.